station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, I'm Isidro Reyna. With 2 spacewalks down, we're halfway through the mission to repair a major astrophysics experiment. Andrew Morgan of NASA and Luca Parmitano of the European Space Agency completed their second spacewalk to repair the alpha magnetic spectrometer on November 22nd. The work clears the way for Parmitano and Morgan's next spacewalk in the repair series on Monday, December 2nd. They've been practicing the skills needed to bypass the old thermal control system by attaching a new one and connecting it to those now sliced steel tubes. A fourth spacewalk will focus on leak checks and installing insulation on AMS to keep it running for years to come. As millions of Americans enjoyed turkey and dressing this week on Earth, the space station crew enjoyed their own Thanksgiving feast aboard the station.
We've got vegetables, of course, green beans and potatoes, and of course, smoked turkey in a pouch.
Cornbread dressing. This will be great. We can maybe stuff it inside the turkeys just to make it like a real stuffing.
I want to know who's going to carve the turkey once it comes out of that pouch.
Of course, jellied cranberry sauce in a can. So a can just like you'd get at home, and of course, it's got to stay in the shape of the can after you open it up.
Astronauts could one day remotely control Moon and Mars rovers from orbit. Luca Parmitano conducted a European Space Agency experiment known as Analog 1 to see if on-orbit crews, scientists on the ground, and new technology can work together to guide a rover on a simulated lunar mission. This project investigates how effectively an astronaut on the International Space Station can operate a rover on a moon-like terrain on Earth. The rover is tasked with collecting rock and soil samples, then remotely investigating the samples. Analog 1 is the final step in ESA's ongoing Meteoron, or Multi-Purpose End-to-End Robotics Operations Network project, which is an initiative to develop and test robotics, communications, and operations innovations that astronauts could use to explore the solar system. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.